Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable mono audio in Windows 11. If you want to turn on this option, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and then you need to go to settings. Here you need to go to system settings, and you need to go to sound, volume levels, output, input, sound devices options. So I click on this bookmark, and then we need to find here output settings, because here one from available option will be mono audio. It will let you to combine left and right audio channels into one. If you want to turn on this option, you need to click on this one dot, because already it is set to off. So I click on it, and from this moment mono audio will be turned on. But if you want to turn it off, you need to click on this one dot, and then it will be turned off. So in this way you can enable or disable mono audio in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.